Just a quick instructional video on changing the paper element on a Toyota CHR hybrid. After removing the 4 screws from this panel underneath the car, after it's been safely jacked up and supported with an axle stand, you have to remove this element inside this plastic housing, and this can be extremely tight. Just one word of warning: don't attempt the oil change, don't drain your oil until you can be sure you can get to this filter element here. I use this tool, this Draper tool, but it does not fit on the hybrid. The clearance, there's a clearance issue, so I ground away part of the tool to enable it to fit the element housing, the plastic housing. But the Toyota dealerships do these up so tight that I needed a breaker bar to actually unscrew this, and I used a 27mm socket on this centerpiece rather than just using the half-inch center there. Also, before fitting the tool, this clip here has to be removed, and it's simply just a push out to take this clip, this little retainer clip, out to enable the tool to fit snugly down over the filter housing. And then after I've replaced this one now, and afterwards just simply push this back in. This is what I used to unscrew the filter housing. This is a 27mm socket. I think this one's for injectors, but any 27mm socket will do. Over there, but make sure that it's snug, that this is down on the filter and that this is snug against it when you undo it. I use this torque wrench to undo this filter housing, which was extremely tight, far too tight. Well, good luck, and that's hopefully much easier next time. Right, just to recap, this is for changing the oil filter element type, not the screw on, spin off type. That's the tool. That's the piece that I've ground off so that it actually fits and clears between the casing, the engine casing, and the tool. And also, whenever you do this, just make sure you jack the vehicle up and you support it on axle stands firstly, safety wise, and okay, and hopefully everything should be clear from there on. I haven't gone to showing you how to put oil in the engine, because obviously that should be self-explanatory, and also the draining of the oil. It's really, this is all to do with taking the plastic housing off to change this filter element.